Sometimes there are things that can't really be put into words. Not truly. You can describe the light, the exact color of the water at that hour, the smell of salt mixed with cold coffee. But words stop there. What you feel when the wind decides for you, when you laugh without knowing why, when time for once belongs to no one, that can be told. You have to have lived it. Those suspended moments when you tell yourself this is exactly it, that this is exactly the place, that you wouldn't want to be anywhere else in the world. You have to have looked up in the middle of the ocean in the dead of night and realized you are small, and that it's the best feeling there is. You have to have shared the simple things, a coffee, a market, a path that leads nowhere. And understood that it's there, right there, that everything happens. So yes, you can try to tell the story. You can search for the words, show the images, capture the light. But deep down, you know it. Some things can only be understood by living them.